deeply rooted American culinary traditions.
But our next group of nominees meld flavors and cultures from across the globe seamlessly into their cuisines. Here are the nominees for Best Chef South.
Vishwabat, Snack Bar. Nina Compton, Compère Lapin. José Enrique. Kristen Essig and Michael Stoltzfus, Coquette. Brad Kilgore, Alter. Slade Rushing, Brennan's.
And the Beard Award goes to, drumroll, Nina Compton.
Nina Compton is on fire. She's on fire. Compère Lapin is amazing. She just opened another restaurant in New Orleans recently. And she's a really interesting figure, has a really interesting story. I mean, she trained under Danielle Ballou in French cooking. She trained under Scott Tonin in Italian cooking. But I think she really found her voice when she started to bring in the flavors of the Caribbean, St. Lucia, where he's from, to her restaurant Compère Lapin in New Orleans.
She was nominated in this category in 2017 last year, but here in 2018, she is now a winner, Best Chef South. Let's hear from Nina.
I am not ready for this. I am not prepared to be on the stage, and I never dreamed, coming from a very, very small island of St. Lucia and winning this award today. Thank you to the foundation for having me here and honoring me today. My mind is melting, and I want to thank my husband and Levi and Hector, who have been with me since day one and pushing me and my team, to Ricky and to Phil, who are holding it down in New Orleans for me, and just everybody. I don't even have words. Thank you.
She was a Top Chef season 11 runner-up, also just a fan favorite. You can see that a lot of people excited for her.
Yeah, I mean, she's amazing. I mean, she makes things like curry and goat with sweet potato gnocchi. Like, how much do you want to eat that? But
That sounds amazing.
I want to talk a little bit